Ever wondered how some people always have that neat professional signature at the end of every reply email without typing it every time? Well, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add your own signature to reply emails in Gmail. It's super simple, and by the end, you'll have a clean, personalized signature that automatically appears in all your replies and forwards. Let's get right into it. First, open your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click on the small gear icon. That's your settings button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will open a new page with several tabs across the top. Make sure you're on the General tab. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Signature. It might take a bit of scrolling, but once you see it, click the Create New button. A small box will pop up asking you to name your signature. This is just for organization, especially if you plan to use different signatures for different accounts. Give it a name, then hit Create. Next, in the text box that appears, type out the signature you want. This could include your name, job title, company, phone number, or even a website link. You can also customize the text by changing the font, size, color, or even adding an image or logo to make it more personal and polished. Once your signature looks good, scroll a bit further down to the section that says On Reply/Forward Use. Click the drop-down menu that currently says No Signature and select the one you just created. This ensures Gmail automatically adds your signature to every reply or forwarded email you send. Finally, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Don't skip this part. It's what locks in all your settings. And that's it. You've now set up a custom signature that appears automatically in all your reply and forwarded emails. It's a simple tweak, but it adds a polished, professional touch to your communication and saves you time in the long run. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this one and start making your everyday tools work smarter for you. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.